The subject is computer architecture and organization. This is the unit number 3rd, pipeline and vector processing, lecture number 2. Myself Mani Singhal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. Contains parallel processing, Flynn's classification of computers, pipelining, arithmetic pipeline, instruction pipeline, RISC pipeline, vector processing, array processors. What is parallel processing? It refers to techniques that are used to provide simultaneous data processing. The system may have two or more ALU to be able to execute two or more instructions at the same time. The system may have two or more processors operating concurrently. It can be achieved by having multiple functional units that perform same or different operation simultaneously. This is the diagram of the processor with multiple functional units. The processor are connected in different multiple function units and the memory. These multiple functional units are adder, subtractor, integer, multiply, logic unit, shift unit, incremental, adder, subtractor, multiply, and division. And the classification, there are a variety of ways in which the parallel processing can be classified. Internal organization of processor, interconnection structure between processor, flow of information through system. MJ Flynn classifies the computer on the basis of number of instructions and data items proceed simultaneously. First, single instruction stream, single data stream, SIST, single instruction stream, multiple data stream, SIMD, multiple instruction stream, single data stream, MISD, multiple instruction stream, multiple data stream, MIMD. SIST represents the organization containing single control unit, a processor unit, and a memory unit. Instructions are executed sequentially and system may or not have internal parallel processing capabilities. SIMD represents an organization that includes many processing units under the supervision of a common control unit. MIST structure is of only theoretical interest since no practical system has been constructed using this organization. MIMD organization refers to a computer system capable of processing several programs at the same time. Flynn's classification emphasizes on the behavioral characteristics of a computer system rather than its operation and structure interconnection. One type of parallel processing that does not fit in the Flynn's classification is pipelining. Parallel processing can be discussed under following topics: pipeline processing, vector processing, array processors. What is pipeline? It is a technique of decomposing a sequential process into sub-operation, with each sub-operation being executed in the special dedicated segments that operates concurrently with all other segments. Each segment performs partial processing and dictated by the way task is partitioned. The result obtained from each segment is transferred to next segment. The final result is obtained when data have passed through all segments. For example, suppose we have to perform the following task: A multiply B plus C, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot 7. Each sub operation is to be performed in a segment within a pipeline. Each segment has one or two registers and a combinational circuit. The sub operation in each segment of the pipeline are as following: A tends to R1, B tends to R2. It means input A and B. R1 multiply R2 tends to R3, C tends to R4. it means multiply and input C. Last, R3 plus R4 tends to R5, it means add C to product. This is the example of pipeline processing. This is the diagram. Basically, there are R1, R2, two register. These contained R1, R2 are multiplier. Then resultant data is stored in register R3. R3 and R4 are add, and resultant data is stored in R5. This is the table content of registers in pipeline example. There are different segment and there are different register R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. There are number of clock pulses. The operation are performed in different clock pulses. What is arithmetic pipeline? Pipeline arithmetic units are usually found in very high speed computers. They are used to implement floating point operations. We will now discuss the pipeline unit for the floating point addition and subtraction. The input of floating point adder pipeline are two normalized floating point numbers. X is equal to A multiply 2 की power A or Y is equal to B multiply 2 की power B. A and B are mantissas as and A and B are the exponents. The floating point addition and subtraction can be performed in 4 segments. The sub-operation performed in each segments are compare the exponents, elision the mantissa, third add or subtract the mantissa, fourth normalized the result. This is the diagram of pipeline for floating point addition and subtraction. And these two operations are performed in different module. They are divided in different segments: segment 1, segment 2, segment 3 and segment 4. Instruction pipeline. Pipeline processing can occur not only in the data stream but in the instruction stream as well. Second, an instruction pipeline reads consecutive instruction from memory while previous instructions are being executed in other segments. This causes the instruction fetch and execute segment to overlap and perform simultaneous operation. 4 segment CPU pipeline. FI segment fetch the instruction, DA segment decode the instruction and calculate the effective address, FO segment fetch the operand, EX segment execute the instruction. This is the diagram of 4 segment CPU pipeline. Fetch instruction from memory, this is the segment 1. Next, decode instruction and calculate effective address. Then check the branch. If branch is no, fetch operand from memory, this is segment 3. Then go to next phase, execute instruction. It check the interrupt. If interrupt no, then go to the segment first. And if interrupt is yes, then go to the interrupt handling, then update PC, then empty pipeline and go to the segment first. If branch is yes, then go to the update PC and then empty pipeline and go to the segment first. This is the diagram of 4 segment CPU pipeline. This is a timing and instruction pipeline. This is the table. There are different steps and different instruction in this table: FI, DA, FO, EX. Fetch instruction, it is the FI. Decode instruction, DA. FO, fetch operand, and EX means execution. RISC pipeline. Simplicity of instruction set is utilized to implement an instruction pipeline using small number of sub operation with each being executed in single clock cycle. Since all operations are performed in the register, there is no need of effective address calculation. Three segment instruction pipeline. I means instruction fetch, A means ALU operation, or E means execute instruction. Delay load. Consider now the operation of the following four instruction. Uh, M address 1 is tends to R1. This is the load. Second, address 2 tends to R2. This is the load. R1 plus R2 tends to R3. This is the addition. Register R3 tends to M address 3. It is the store. This is the pipeline timing with data conflict. There are different clock cycle and there are different instruction load R1, R2, add R1 plus R2 and store R3. There are different operation of perform. First of all I, then A, then E. E means execution, A means ALU operation, or I means instruction fetch. Then this is the table number second, pipeline timing with delay load. There are different clock cycle and different instruction load R1, load R2, no operation, add R1 plus R2 and store R3. There are different sub operation are performed I, A and E. Delay branch. Let us consider the program having the following five instructions. Load from memory to R1, increment R2, add R3 to R4, subtract R5 from R6, branch to address X. This is the table. Using no operation instruction, there are different clock cycle and there are different instruction. Load, increment, add, subtract, branch to X, no operation, and last instruction in X. There are different sub operation are performed in different clock cycle. This is the rearranging the instruction. There are different clock cycle and there are different instruction and command. Load, increment, branch to X, add, subtract and instruction in X. And in different clock cycle there are different sub operation performed in parallelly. Vector processing. There is a class of computational problems that are beyond the capabilities of the conventional computer. These are characterized by the fact that they require vast number of computational and it take a conventional computer day or even week to complete. Computers with vector processing are able to handle such instruction and they have application in following fields: long range weather forecasting, petroleum explorations, seismic data analysis, medical diagnosis, aerodynamics and space simulation, artificial intelligence and expert system mapping, the human genome, image processing. What is vector process operations? A vector b of length n is represented as low vector y. B is equal to b1, b2, b3 bn. The elements bi of vector b is written as bi, and the index I refer to a memory address or register where the number is stored. This is the figure instruction format of vector processor. First operation code, then base address source 1, base address source 2, base address destination, and last vector length. What is array processor? An array processor is a processor that performs the computations on large array of data. There are two different type of array processor. First, attach array processor. Second, SIMD array processor. Attach array processor. It is designed as a peripheral for a conventional host computer. Second, its purpose is to enhance the performance of the computer by providing vector processing. It achieves high performance by means of parallel processing with multiple functional units. This is the diagram of attached array processor with host computer. There are general purpose computers with connected input output interface and main memory. Input output interface are connected attached array processor. Attached array processor are connected by local memory. They are connected to the main memory with high speed memory to memory bus. SIMD array processor. It is processor which consists of multiple processing unit operating in parallel. Second, the processing units are synchronized to perform the same task under control of common control units. Third, each processor elements include an ALU, a floating point arithmetic units, and working registers. This is the diagram of SIMD array processor organization. There are master control unit and main memory which are connected different PE and memory. Thank you.